So my dear students of class 6B English medium, today I am discussing a very important portion from your textbook. So the name of the topic is Heat Belts of the World. Is very important, keep in mind. So heat belts of the world. As we know that temperature decreases gradually from the equator to the poles. So from the equator to the poles, North Pole and South Pole, temperature gradually decreases. This is because of the difference in the angle of incidence of sunlight. So the reason is the difference in the angle of sunlight. Okay, the Earth has been divided into three belts on the basis of amount of heat it receives from the sun. So according to the or on the basis of amount of heat from the sun, the earth has been divided into three heat belts. Clear? First is torrid zone. First torrid zone, the region on either side of the equator. Um, in your textbook there is a picture, so there you will find that the middle portion torrid zone, and it is also called equator. So the region, this region on either side, on the one side is north pole and the other side is south pole. So this equator, uh, this region on either side of the equator, on the either side of the equator, lying between the Tropic of Cancer. One portion is Tropic of Cancer and other portion is Tropic of Capricorn, is known as torrid zone. Okay, clear? So this region on either side of the equator, lying between the Tropic of Cancer on the one side and on the other, on the contrary, is the Tropic of Capricorn, is known as torrid zone. Here sunlight falls vertically throughout the year in this belt, and the earth's surface gets most heated up here. So due to the uh, vertical position of the sunlight in this belt, in this torrid zone, so the earth's surface gets more heated up here. Clear? So first point is torrid zone is very important. Second point is temperate zone. The belts between the Tropic of Cancer and the Arctic Circle, and that between the Tropic of Capricorn and the Antarctic Circle. Okay, here belts between the Tropic of Cancer and the Arctic Circle. Not only the Tropic of Cancer but also the it includes the Arctic Circle on the one hand, and on the other hand the Tropic of Capricorn, it also includes the Antarctic Circle, are known as the temperate zones. Clear? Sunlight falls obliquely here. And here the sunlight does not fall vertically, obliquely here. So sunlight falls obliquely, so it is cooler than the torrid zone. So as a result, this zone is cooler than the previous zone, actually a torrid zone. Clear? Because the only reason is here sunlight falls not vertically but obliquely. Clear? Okay. My next point is frigid zone. This is very important. Frigid zone. The region from Arctic Circle to North Pole. The region from Arctic Circle to North Pole. and from Antarctic Circle to South Pole, and from Antarctic Circle to South Pole are known as frigid zone. Actually, North Pole the topmost level, and the lower portion, topmost level is North Pole, and the lower portion is South Pole. So the region from Arctic Circle to North Pole and from Antarctic Circle to South Pole are known as the frigid zone. Why is it called frigid zone? Next, sunlight falls at very high oblique angle here throughout the year. This is the reason. So sunlight falls at very high oblique angle here throughout the year, throughout the entire year. So it is the least heated belt of the earth. So it is also due to this reason, it is the least heated belt of the earth. So it remains cold throughout the year. So this region, this zone is called frigid zone. So you have to watch the picture carefully. Yeah, there are two pictures. Here are two pictures side by side. So you have to carefully go through the, before going through the text. You have to carefully watch those pictures. Okay, and try to find out the different zones, and then you will able to understand, you will able to make out the a clear understanding of this very important topic, heat belts of the world. Okay, that's all. Thank you.